Hello children, I am Geeta Singh from Monbase School, Dhanbad. So let us start our class. My dear student, first of all you open your Mall Science book, okay? Now my dear student, take out your Mall Science book, chapter 2, next chapter. Come here, chapter 2, Hamid, okay? So first of all, I'll read this story. You listen carefully, okay? Hamid was a 5 years old boy who lived with his grandmother Amina. She used to work for others and fulfill the daily needs. Hamid had lost his parents. Okay, it's mean see this boy name is Hamid and she is his grandmother. Okay, Amina. So Hamid was how many olds? Hamid was 5 years old boy. Okay, how many? 5. Understood? And he lived with his grandmother. Okay, and his grandmother works in other house. दूसरे के घरों में इसकी दादी माँ काम करती थी. Why? To fulfill the daily needs. Okay. Why? Because Hamid had lost his parents. हमीद जो है वो अपने मम्मी पापा को खो दिया था, इसीलिए वो अपनी दादी माँ के साथ रहता था. अंडरस्टूड? सी however his grandmother used to tell him that one day his parents would come back with lots of money, sweets and gifts. Okay, see this one. Hamid grandmother always tell him what one day your parents would come back with lots of money, sweets and gifts. Okay, and Hamid loved his grandmother really. This boy loved his grandmother. Okay, now coming next paragraph. It was the festival of Eid. He and his friends were excited since morning. They wore new clothes and were ready to go to Eidgah. Understood? Means एक दिन ईद का फेस्टिवल था. किस चीज़ का? ईद. Understood? And he means Hamid and his friend, all friends. See here, all friends were so excited from since morning. Why? Because they wore new clothes and were ready to go to ईदगाह. ईदगाह में जाने के लिए वो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा खुश थे. ठीक है, इसलिए लोग सारे नए नए कपड़े पहनकर आए थे घूमने के लिए. नेक्स्ट वन इज सी Hamid did not have new clothes. All his friends decided to go to Eidgah for namaz. Okay, there was a huge fair organized there. They all carried money with them for rides, toys and sweets. Hamid, however, had only 5 paisa with him. Okay, means Hamid all friends wear new clothes, but Hamid wear old clothes. Why? Because Hamid tell me, because Hamid have not new clothes. Okay, and his all friend decided to go to the Eidgah for namaz and after that in the fair. Okay, why? Because there was a huge fair organized. Huge fair means बहुत बड़ा मेला वहाँ पे लगा था. ठीक है, वहाँ पे जाने के लिए लोग सब तैयार हो चुके थे. Understood? They all carried money. Okay, means 50 rupees, 100 rupees like this. Okay, for what? For rides, toys and sweets. Means घूमने के लिए, खिलौना खरीदने के लिए, स्वीट्स खरीदने के लिए. But Hamid have only 5 paisa. Hamid had only 5 paisa with him. Okay, now after namaz at Eidgah, all his friends enjoyed a lot They spent their money on rides, sweets, and colorful clay toys. Hamid too was tempted but then dismissed this as wastage of money. He was still thinking of what to buy when he suddenly saw a hardware shop. Okay, he saw a pair of tongs there. He remembered how his grandmother burned her hands every time when she cooked chapatis. Understood? Means Hamid and his all friends, see this one, okay, enjoy a lot in fair and they all are spend their money. इसके जितने भी दोस्त थे वो सारे अपने पैसों को स्पेंड कर रहे थे, खर्च कर रहे थे. कहाँ पे? ऑन राइड्स, स्वीट्स एंड बाइंग कलरफुल टॉयज. बट हमीद वॉज टू टेम्पटेड, मीन्स वो खर्च नहीं कर रहा था. वो सोच रहा था कि ये खर्च करना क्या होगा, वेस्टेज ऑफ मनी. मीन्स इन सारे चीज़ों में हम जो खर्च करेंगे क्या होगा, वेस्टेज ऑफ मनी. अंडरस्टूड? एंड वेस्टेज ऑफ मनी. और वो अचानक से वो कहाँ जाता है, ही सडनली शो हार्डवेयर शॉप. ओके, ही शो अ पेयर ऑफ टंग्स एंड ही रिमेंबर्ड हाउ हिज ग्रैंड मदर. और सोचता है कि कैसे उसकी ग्रैंड मदर बर्न हिज हैंड. ओके, बर्न हिज हैंड एवरी टाइम व्हेन शी कुक चपातीस. अंडरस्टूड?